Thank you for your purchase of Funride Viva Tricycle. This tricycle comes with unique features of safety and comfort. Front handle with zipper, wide tire base for stability, cushion seat for extra comfort for the kid. This tricycle is easy to assemble in just a few steps. Step 1. Place rear wheels to main body on both sides. Lock it with a pin and place rear wheel caps. Step 2. Place front wheels to main body and lock it with the handle clamp to fork. Step 3. Insert handle completely to main body and lock it with the provided nut and bolt. Then cover it with cap. In the next step, place seat to main body and lock the same. For finishing touch, place rear basket and zipper into the bottle stand. Your beautiful Viva tricycle is now ready to ride. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.